Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to secure your images in your website. So for example, if I go here and I can easily save this image. Now you can go here and add a new plugin. And I have used content copy protection plugin in another video. So now this video, if you want to protect your images, then here you can type no right click images. You can install this plugin and here you can go to install plugins page, then you can activate the plugin. After installing this plugin, you can do some settings. After that, let me reload this page. Now if I try to right click, then here you can see it is not working. So in this way you can easily protect your website images from the stealers.